In this video, you'll learn how to work with the TOF sensor, or the time of flight sensor. This sensor has a tiny laser light, and it measures the time it takes for the laser to bounce back. This way, you can measure distances up to 80 centimeters with millimeter accuracy using this sensor. This sensor, the time of flight sensor, is an SDA and SCL sensor, so you connect it to the SDA and SCL pins here on the side of the board. We start with a jumper wire with two wires. In this case, the red wire is the SDA and the black wire is the SCL. So we connect that to the SDA and SCL pins. Then we have the VCC and GND pins. Again, I use a jumper wire with two wires. The black wire is GND and the red wire is VCC. The VCC, the red wire, needs to go in the middle row and the GND wire into the outer row. So I can place that next to it. Now your time of flight sensor is connected and ready to be programmed. Yes.